Are you planning to apply for studies in Germany? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how to search for public universities in Germany that is tuition free and how to apply to these universities from the comfort of your home. You do not need to get the help of any admission agency. I would guide you through it. Also, I'll be sharing some tips that worked for me when I applied for my master's. So please watch this video till the end. I hope you find it very resourceful. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. The first website I'll be sharing with you is this website, the DAAD website, the German Academic Exchange Service. Please bookmark this website because you'll be referencing it a lot because it has a lot of things to offer, and I will quickly navigate through different tabs to show us what is obtainable here before we dive right into the main thing of the day. So looking at this website, I would point out here that if you open it and it's in DE, so please do well to change it to EN so that it will be in English for you. And when you scroll down, you can see that it has different study and research in Germany, first steps, plan your studies, courses, finding scholarships, Ph.D. studies, research in Germany, so health insurance. So it has basically all that you need. So in my subsequent videos, I would be going through this step by step. But right now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on international program because we are looking for international programs. So when I click on this, it brings you immediately to this site and it says it has 2,215 programs available. So this is where basically you would search for the course that you want to study. And here it has over 170 cities that you can study in and 230 participating institutions. So this is where almost all the universities come to register with their courses. So you can basically almost find everything you are looking for on this website. So when you begin to search, the most important thing that is important to us is that the course is in English. So I'm going to filter for English courses, and let me just say, because I want to do a bachelor program. So I select bachelor program. So when you select bachelors, you can already see it has streamlined into 176 programs. So this is what we have that is in English. Then I click on search. And here you can see that the whole 176 results are all here. And okay, yes, because we are looking for what is tuition free. So now, because right now I can just already see by this first one that it says tuition fees per semester is 4,500. So this is not what we want. We want something that is free. So here it says none. So what we are looking out for is what is none. And for us to see that very easily, so we have to fine tune our search. And by doing so, we click on here and say tuition fees. So we select this, it says no fees because there are some that is up to 500. So I mean, we don't want fees at all. So select this. So it has only 94. And yes. So this gives us a total of 94 results that are tuition free, and they are bachelor's program and are studied in English. So these are all the universities that are offering free tuition for bachelor's program. So next, to see more of the courses if you are interested in any of them. But at this point, I would like to say something. For this search to be very effective and efficient, I would encourage you at this point to maybe open a Word document or an Excel file to be recording each of these courses, because maybe later in the time it might become so much that you might not even remember which university was that or what you searched for that gave you that result. So I try to kind of keep track of what I'm doing by saving it in an Excel file so that you can make reference to it. So now, having seen this, let's say I select one of them that I want to study, okay, international management in Degendorf Institute. So I click on this and it brings me up to this place. So this is where it shows you in full details what this course is about. It's international management. This is the university that is offering the Degendorf Institute of Technology, and the place is in Degendorf. And it says the degree is going to be Bachelor of Arts, English. So basically, it lists everything for you. And here it says the application deadline is from 15th of April to 15th of July. So this is usually beginning at winter semester if you are interested in, for example, this course. So you can just go through it, and this is an overview. You can click on the next one to see the course details, what this course is all about. So this is more like you are reading to understand the course. And the next is you go to the funding, and here it says tuition fee is none, but you have to pay a semester contribution of 62 euros. So this is just like a semester ticket, your bus ticket. So this is what you would definitely need. So cost of living, yeah, so this is your personal, it's based on individual level. So you could spend more, you could spend less. So this is an estimated value. So funding, yeah, they say there is a funding opportunity like scholarship and the rest. So this is the requirement. So please find the application. So this is what it will require you. You go through this language of requirements is here, the deadline, where you submit your application to. So this is just telling you an overview of everything, the services. So that website is basically showing you a general overview of what this university is offering in relation to this course. So after you might have gone through all of this, the next thing for you to do is to, of course, you will click on the link that will direct you to the university so that you can actually go through this university to actually see that what you are seeing here is corresponding to what is on the university's portal. I mean, I hope this is very clear because the first tip, or rather, this is like a tip I would say in the sense that most times it's always correct, but it's best to always go to the university website to also confirm that what you are seeing here is actual and accurate, because sometimes maybe that something might change on the university's portal, and that is what they would take as the one that is most recent. So when you click on this one, for example, let's see the application directs you immediately to the university. So this is the university's portal, Degendorf Institute of Technology, and then it will now obviously, I think I need to zoom. So this is the university, the Degendorf Institute of Technology, and here now you can now navigate to search for this exact course. To search for this exact course, BA International Management, so that you make sure that what you've seen here is also what you are seeing on their portal. So this is more like how you go about to get yourself from the DAD portal onto the university portal itself, so that you be sure that you are doing the right thing. I mean, so once you're on this website, let's search for this course that we found in that, if we can also see it here. So this is, I mean, there's a lot of information here, so you have to take your time to go through this website to familiarize yourself with it. But first of all, you have to, let me just point out something. Application period 15 April until July for winter semester, 15 November to 15 January for the summer semester. So just take your time, go through this overview of all deadlines, bachelor program. So yeah, you can see that the overviews are here. So I mean, this is really, yeah, it's really comprehensive. So the same thing for master's program. Yeah, you go through it, but I'm after showing you how to identify this course. So now it already has a button that says apply now, but we are not yet applying until we find our program. and I have to click on this an international applicant because that is what we are. And here it says we should read what it means to be an international applicant. So the step-by-step process, information we need to upload, the requirements, and if you are applicant from China, India, New Delhi, Vietnam. So this is an information for you. Please do well to check it out. And then, so what you aim to study. So I click on this link and it brings me here. So this is the study programs. So the degree taught in English, I click on this. And here we scroll down bachelors. So we are interested in bachelor. So this is the bachelor program and this is the international management and it's in English. There are still other ones in English, EN. So yeah, we click on this one, which we're interested in. And yes, when we click on that, you can now read through the fact sheet about this course. Fact sheet, international management, duration of the semester, the location, what is taught. So here we can already check the language requirements. So I mean, you need time to sit down and go through this and see that if this is in line with what you want to study. And when it's in line, so please do well, click all the flyers, get yourself familiarized with the processes, note it down on your Word document or Excel file, whichever one, so that you know what is important for you at the end of the day or what you should not miss regarding deadline. So if you have done that, so I think the next thing for you to do is to basically say how to apply. So if you click on how to apply, it brings you here where you see applying to study, step-by-step process to a successful application. And to show us how you can navigate this from that to this university portal. So the next thing you do is just to hit on apply now if you have already gone through everything and you are very much interested in it. And it asks you what would you like to apply for, a full-time program, and what type of applicant are you? You're an international applicant, and here it tells you what it means to be an international applicant. And now it says apply now, and it brings you to this portal where you directly apply to the university. So this is even pretty very much good. I think it doesn't need you to go through UniAssist. So I mean, I wouldn't want this video to be too long, so I will stop it at this point. So I think this is pretty much a lot for now. In the next video, I would be showing you other courses, how to search for other courses, maybe for a master's program, and also walking you through the process step by step. Or if you want me to use this particular one as an example to show you how to step by step apply on the university portal, please drop it in the comment section below. I would also be glad to do that process for you. If you have been getting value from this content, please I'd like you to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos like this. Like and share the video so that others could benefit from it. Drop your comments, concerns in the comment section below. We'll try our best to respond to each of them. And with this, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.